Struggling to eat healthy all week? Here's how meal prep can change your life. Let's face it, trying to eat healthy every day can feel like a never-ending struggle. Between long workdays, social events, and busy schedules, it's easy to end up reaching for fast food or unhealthy snacks. But what if you could change that without having to cook every single meal from scratch? Here's the secret: meal prepping. If you're not already meal prepping, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to stay on track with your health and nutrition goals. Think about it. Spending just a few hours one day can set you up for a week of delicious, healthy meals, saving you time, money, and stress. No more scrambling for something to eat at the last minute. No more falling into the trap of unhealthy choices. Here's how meal prep can be a game changer. Save time. When you prep your meals in advance, you eliminate the daily hassle of figuring out what to eat. It's all ready for you. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, everything is already portioned and packed, waiting for you to grab and go. Stay on track. Having pre-made meals means you're less likely to grab unhealthy options when hunger strikes. With a little planning, you can control what goes into your meals, ensuring you stay nourished and satisfied all week long. Save money. Eating out or ordering takeout every day can quickly add up. By prepping your meals, you're in control of your grocery bill, buying only what you need for the week. Quinoa salad bowls. Cook up a batch of quinoa and add toppings like grilled chicken, chickpeas, cucumber, avocado, and a simple vinaigrette. These salads are customizable and can last in the fridge for days. Overnight oats. Prep several jars of overnight oats for a quick and healthy breakfast. Add chia seeds, almond milk, and fresh fruit for a satisfying start to your day. Healthy stir-fries. Stir-fries are perfect for meal prep because they're easy to make in large batches. Use lean proteins like shrimp or tofu, and add lots of veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and snap peas. The secret to successful meal prep: batch cooking and variety. Cook in bulk, but keep things interesting with different seasonings and flavors. You don't need to eat the same thing every day. So, if you're ready to take control of your health, start with meal prep. It's an easy, stress-free way to enjoy healthy, delicious meals all week long without the hassle. Give it a try, and see just how much time and energy can save you.